Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Unich Airdrop, FD point update, the KYC portal, the swapping event, and every other thing surrounding Unich Airdrop. So if you are mining this project, you need to be extremely serious, and if you have not started, locate the link in the video description. So right now we are going to cover it. So what is your FD point? This FD point, what is your FD point? So we are going to look at this. The major thing is this FD point. Now let's go to their Twitter handle. So they made this update 5 days ago, and look at the update. They said FD point equals freedom coin. FD point, which we are mining, equals freedom coin, a token redeemable for UN, a token. So this FD point we are mining is not just a point, it is a token that is redeemable. You can redeem it for UN. Initially, we have been saying that this FD point will be converted to UN token, but they have clarified us now that this FD point we are farming is a token on its own that you can redeem to UN. So whatever FD point you have is what you are going to receive. You are going to redeem it to UN. So let it sink in your ear. Now they said freedom coin will be distributed decentrally with KYC verification. So I hope you are getting ready for the KYC. KYC verification is coming soon to ensure rewards reach genuine contributors. So go and get ready for the Unich KYC. Without this KYC, you are not going to redeem your FD points. Now they say details on the redemption process will be shared before launch. So they are going to tell us how we are going to redeem this our FD point before the token goes live. Now they said here, until then, stack up as many freedom coins as you can. So until then, you need to be extremely serious to accumulate more token before the listing date. You know, they have said that they are going to launch this token in Q4 2025. So we hope that there will not be postponement again. So whatever thing you have here is your FD point, which you are going to redeem to UN. You have to be extremely serious. And some of us are complaining that they can't log into the Unich app. If you can't log into Unich app, you can try using VPN. If VPN is not working for you, the only option you have is to go to start mining on the website. If you go to the website, you will log in and it will be easy for you. So that is if you can't log in on the app. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can join our WhatsApp group, Telegram channel for high value updates. Thank you guys.